Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Now we'll discuss the new chapter called Small Business and Entrepreneurship. So, after knowing the sources of business finance, it is very important for us to know this particular chapter because you are going to get good number of questions in your examination. When we talk about this particular small business and entrepreneurship, first we have to understand one particular concept. See, you take any business for that matter, it operates in three forms. One is the large scale business, medium scale business, and small scale business. So, here we are concentrating on small scale business and how the small entrepreneurship will play a vital role in developing the nation economy rather. See, when we introduce this subject, let us see small scale industries contribute significantly to the development process and act as a vital link between industrialization in terms of production, employment, and experts of economic prosperity by widening entrepreneurial base and use of local raw materials and indigenous skills. See, one thing you bear in mind in small business or in small scale industries, what you are going to do here, the, they are going to use the local raw materials. Very, very important. For the production purpose, they will use local raw materials and they will, you know, help can be taken from the indigenous skills, not from outside. Indigenous in sense internally in that particular country. And also they will have this production, employment and exports of for the growth of economic prosperity. So all these possible through small scale industries. We can say small scale industry contribute to the nation significantly because of these reasons. There is production increases, employment increases, export increases. So these are all very very important for the growth of any economy of the nation.